Friends making weird noises, part 1.
Sorry, the world was gonna hit the gas. So much to see, so much to
Good
oh my god, dude, it sounds like a bad RPG.
Oh, bad.
Sword Jutsu.
Fire Emblem. Raise a Baby 3DS edition.
How to raise a baby?
Oh, you gotta like change your clothes.
Racing games only on Xbox.
Oh my god.
Let me read. Dude, so many men enjoy cool AIDS.
God, winners don't themselves,
Fuck.
man.
Fuck.
China is my city.
America is my city.
Orange City.
Alright, Grape. Alright. For the last time, do that noise.
Oh, wait, hold up. Every day, bro, with the Nickelodeon flow, got 2 subscribers in 1 month. Never talking.
Yo, yeah, I'm a gangster. Got 2 subscribers in 2 years. 1 subscriber each year.
It's every day, bro, with the Disney Channel flow. Then beefing with PewDiePie. No one has a phone.
Yo, I'm going to do my subscriber special. Hey, guys, thank you for 1 like. I really did appreciate it. For all the videos that I did the past years, I finally hit the 1 like.
Oh my god, guys, look, this is not clickbait. I'm gonna make this become, like, so hot. Like, this is gonna be a 1,000-degree fidget spinner versus this thing. So, here we go. Oh my god, guys, I'm burning it. Oh my god. Alright, guys, it's like orangey red. So it's very orangey red. So let's do it on a ruler. Oh my god, it melted, guys.
Finger.
Papa John's Barnyard.
Okay, my secret
Barnyard.
Fuck.
Papa John's Barnyard. Hey, guess how Papa John's makes his meat lovers.
I've been expecting you. No more.
He goes to the barnyard.
I've been expecting you. Fuck. I just don't feel the vibe. Fuck.
Yo, bro, are you still recording?
Yes, I'm still recording.
This one's so lame. We should
I've been
really use a guest.
expecting you.
Yes.
Yes.
To be honest.
Fuck, I can't get the right vibe. I've been Jesus Christ. So yeah, guys, that was my friends making the weirdest shit you guys could ever, and I mean ever. And that's the weirdest shit that they'll make.
Don't mention anything. I'll mention my own name when I'm on my own version of the video.
Yeah, all these people, alright, these 2 guys right here, they have YouTube channels. I'll leave their name in the description down below.
Don't mention anything. Just retarded. me start it, Lightning McQueen. Oh, yeah.
Started it, Lightning McQueen. Welcome to the mean world, Kenny.
Well, like your Infinite Warfare.
Oh my god! Hey, dude. Hey guys, did you hear the new DLC where the guy on the radio on Infinite Warfare is Buzz Lightyear?
Woody the Woodpecker on Infinite Warfare camo.
Oh my god! Every time you shoot a bullet.
Oh god. What a smash.
Hands down, Aaron's just fucking insane.
What a smash.
Woody Woodpecker,
Fuck.
Woody Woodpecker, heart Donald Trump equals baby Trump Donald.
Baby Trump.
Hey, young. Do you want to play multiplayer Hannah Montana on...
What?
Oh my god.
Do you want to play multiplayer team deathmatch on Hannah Montana on the Nintendo Wii?
Just fucking jacked off.